Okay, so let's be honest for a second.
Mm-hmm.
Dealing with insurance claims,
Yeah.
it's like walking through a maze, but you're blindfolded.
Right.
It's definitely something we all kind of dread having to do,
Oh, for sure.
but being prepared,
Uh-huh.
you know,
Exactly.
that can make a huge difference.
Huge.
So today, we're doing a deep dive into the services
Okay.
that are offered by Texas Claims Pro Public Adjuster.
Interesting.
And I think you'll agree with me.
Okay.
This information could really be a game changer,
Yeah,
especially when it comes to protecting what you've worked so hard for.
absolutely. I think most people don't realize just how complicated
Yeah.
that whole claims process can really be,
Right.
especially after, something major happens, like
Right.
a fire or a natural disaster.
Exactly. And it's not even just about
Right.
understanding all the crazy jargon
Oh, yeah.
in those insurance policies.
Sure.
It's also about knowing,
Yeah.
who's on your side
Right.
and who's actually looking out for the insurance company's bottom line.
Exactly.
So that's where a public adjuster comes in, right?
Exactly. And unlike the adjuster
Yeah.
that the insurance company will send,
Right.
a public adjuster only works for you.
Oh,
They are your advocate,
got it.
and they're there to get you
Yeah.
absolute maximum settlement
Oh,
that you deserve.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So let's jump into some of these specific services
Okay.
that Texas Claims Pro offers.
Sounds good.
Their website mentions claims negotiation.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm curious, what does that actually look like?
Okay, well, let's imagine this.
Okay.
You've just had a house fire.
Oh, gosh.
So you're dealing with all that emotional stress,
Oh, of course.
the damage to your property,
Yeah.
and then you have to deal with the insurance company
Huh.
and haggle over every little detail.
Right.
So a public adjuster takes all that off your plate.
Okay.
They handle all the communication.
Yeah.
They gather evidence, and they present a strong case
Got it.
to make sure that you are getting
Oh, yeah.
a fair settlement.
So they're like expert negotiators.
Exactly.
They're leveling the playing field
That's exactly right.
with the insurance company.
They know all the tactics that the insurance company uses,
Wow.
and they have years of experience to counter those tactics.
That peace of mind alone
Oh, yeah.
has got to be worth it.
Absolutely.
Now, what about disaster recovery consulting?
Oh, okay.
Because I can imagine
Yeah.
after, a major event like that,
Right.
people are overwhelmed.
Absolutely. And it's like you're trying to put a puzzle back together,
Oh, my gosh.
but you've got a blindfold on.
Yeah.
You've got contractors to deal with.
Yeah.
Salvage companies, paperwork's piling up.
It's a lot.
It is disaster recovery consulting.
Yeah.
They step in
Oh.
and they give you guidance every step of the way.
Okay.
They help you to manage all the logistics,
Yeah.
understand your coverage,
Okay.
and connect you with the right resources.
So it's like having a personal guide
Exactly.
through all that chaos.
Yeah, you got it.
Now, speaking of understanding your policy,
Mm-hmm.
I've heard those documents.
Yeah.
They can be so confusing.
They are very confusing.
So is that where policy interpretation comes in?